gonna start. All right, are you ready?
I'm ready.
1, 2, 3. Oh my God.
Oh, okay, let me just start this right here. Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, and fellow squad members, this is our inaugural unboxing of the hyped up wedding present. Yay! Thank you for tuning in. Now, I seem to be missing someone. Oh, husband! Husband! Woohoo! Where could he be? I know what will get him.
I'm a bad man, I'm a bad man, I'm a bad man, I'm a bad man.
Oh, I'm so glad you could join us tonight. Yay, he made it.
I have been drunk for the last 2 days.
Great way to start a marriage. You're next, Catherine and Antonio.
Okay, what are we doing?
We have this beautiful, golden, delicious present that has been so hyped up by the squad.
So it better not let down.
Better not let down. This is serious. It's very
Serious.
serious. Okay. How now, brown cow? Okay.
Wait. You're gonna cut it.
Where's your?
I don't know.
Where's? Oh, he did good job. Careful. Careful.
What? Are you scared?
Yes. You frightened me.
Okay. Oh, you know what's under the gold paper?
More
gold paper!
I
Okay.
always wanted.
Okay. It's gonna
Okay.
be our.
Okay.
It's gonna start. All right. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
1, 2, 3. Oh!
That is so. What is
Oh no!
that?
It's like a little.
He.
Oh my God! Oh my!
That is super cool. That is really.
That is
I
the
look
coolest
skinny.
thing in the world.
That's really
That is
cool.
awesome.
Aww.
Holy crap! Oh my God! Do you see this? I am permanently champion in art. You know where this is going?
Above my bed.
Above our bed.
It is fantastic.
It is
beautiful.
amazing.
But
Oh
now he's
my-
champion forever.
Oh my God! They took in my double chin.
No, this is really cool. You are so talented.
This is amazing.
This is really nice.
This is amazing.
Thank you.
Thank you so
This
much.
is really cool.
I love this.
I know you love it. I love it. And thank you.
I love it. I love it.
Thank you. Our wedding was nothing without you guys. So
Never-
thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.